Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down constraints so choices become obvious. Pick a 2-4 color palette with one accent and set headline and body fonts. Once done, establish a spacing scale, a 4/8 px space with multiples for gutters and padding, and apply consistent border radii. You should instantly test one widget with these rules to see interaction of color, type, and space. This reveals conflicts early and saves redesign time. You now refine variants and visual hierarchy. Build small, medium, and large sizes with proportional padding and font scaling so elements resize predictably. Then add subtle elevation using 1-3 shadow levels and slight color shifts to separate layers without heavy contrast. Make sure icons share a single stroke weight and size grid so they read as part of the system. This reduces visual noise and ensures each widget communicates priority and affordance clearly. You finish by polishing interactions and testing. Check contrast ratios, verify spacing consistency, and ensure touch targets are at least 44 px. Once done, export colors, radii, and spacing as tokens or CSS variables for reuse. If something breaks, make sure to isolate the offending token and revert to a neutral palette and base spacing to restore legibility. Finally, iterate with real content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.